Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best working PlayStation 5 promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for PlayStation 5 promo codes. Right here, go to this website which is called retailmino.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes and deals that we can use in order to get some discounts. So for example, right here, if you want to get this one with up to 35% of PlayStation deals, all you need to do is tap right here where it says get deal. And for this one, there is no coupon code required. So all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says shop at the PlayStation Store, and you'll be redirected to the website where the discount will be applied automatically. Going back to the main search right here, we have this website as well, which is called TechRadar. And as you can see right here, we have some promo codes and discounts as well that you can use. So for example, right here, if you want to get this one with £15 discount on your game purchases, all you need to do is tap on this button right here where it says get discount. So for this one, there is also no coupon code required. So all you need to do is tap right here where it says go to PlayStation site, and you'll be redirected to their website where the discount will be applied automatically. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.